I did only once in 20. But I submitted my original. I did once.
Tuli butereevu mu Paalamenti. Akutuusaako pulogulaamu eno kimanyi bulungi nti abeera Haji Ssettuba omusomi w'edduwa. Haji Ssettuba omusomi w'edduwa alina ennamba y'okusobola okumufunira eri 0703 31 39 25 0703 31 39 25. Mukubireko agenda kusomera ku dduwa ze buli ekibadde kikusumbuwa ogenda kuba okifuula lufumo. Haji Ssettuba basomedde ku dduwa ze bamuweera obujulizi nti wamma edduwa ze ziwonya. Ne batanasomera ku dduwa ze era nammwe mumunoonyeeko nga bukyali mujja kukkiriza nti kyakola akitegeera. Olwaleero tuli mu Paalamenti. Minisita ow'abaana n'abavubuka Balamu Bwasabye agenda kubeera ng'alayira. Naye alina ensonga z'aleese mu Paalamenti ye zalowoozeza nti za ssanyu eri ababaka ba National Unity Platform ku nsonga z'okuta abasibe baabwe abaakwatibwa. Yagamba nti yamaze dda okwogera ne Mwami Museveni ye kaali minisita w'abavubuka nti ensonga zino bagenda kuba bazikolako era babayimbule. Wabula Joel Ssenyonyi Leader of Opposition yamwanukulako ng'amugamba ensonga ezo si bwe bazikwata, si za kupapira bupapizi kubanga mwe mulina kyammwe kye mwagala okuyisaawo. Twagala abantu abo naffe mubayimbule naye twagala nga mutuwadde ensonga kye yabakwasa era mubavunaanye emyaka 5 nga bali mu makomera mubadde mubavunaana ki. Katuwulirize ebigenda maaso mu Paalamenti y'olwaleero.
For the new members of Parliament who have come in, who are not ministers, whips, government chief whip and opposition chief whip, you have up to Tuesday to ensure you designate these members to committees so that they can catch up with the rest in as far as processing the budget of the country is concerned. Honorable colleagues, later on I'll be amending the order paper slightly because yesterday we had an issue which I saw very many members raising different points, and we agreed that the Attorney General would meet the members from the regions of Acholi, Lango, and Teso on payment for their claims, for war claims. So I would need the Attorney General to give us a brief statement on the outcome of the meeting so that we know indeed whether progress was made and how best they can be supported. Honorable colleagues, also, as you might have already read or heard in the news, this Parliament, through a private member, introduced and passed the Anti-Homosexuality Act 2023, which most of you honorable members stood up for and supported in line with the aspirations of Ugandans. The constitutionality of this act was challenged in the Constitutional Court, and today the decision was delivered. The court found no fault in the process, in the procedure, and though there are some clauses, some sections of the law which court nullified, but as a leadership of Parliament, we are happy with the outcome of the process. So we want to thank the Attorney General, we want to thank the legal team from Parliament, we want to thank you, honorable colleagues, and Ugandans in general. We want to thank the judiciary for not interfering with the work of Parliament and allowing us to execute our mandate as given to us by the people of Uganda. Honorable colleagues, we've done our part, okay? And I believe this is not an issue on which I will now members start coming up, want to discuss. No. We've done our part, the courts have done their part, okay? We can leave it at that for now. We don't need to add on anything we need to give time to the Attorney General. For us, we are celebrating on our side, but the Attorney General needs to internalize and see whether even the nullified sections can be reinstated, or whether he's satisfied as our lead lawyer for the country. So, honorable colleagues, with those statements, but I think it would be prudent that the new members, we give them a minute, at least say something, okay? Yes, the new member. And I will start with Honorable Barugahara Balamu. Honorable Minister, here we have time limit, so 2 minutes.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, for this opportunity. Here before you is now a full minister. But sitting on a front bench, courtesy of General Museveni Kaguta Yoweri, approved by Parliament Appointments Committee, recommended by Ugandans. But before I became a member, small brief about me. I'm the vice chairman of PLU, which is a civic organization, which is a non-partisan organization, which is a transparent organization, which is an organization that advocates for fairness in society. I thank Parliament for giving me this opportunity. I will work and I will serve my country, my president, and I will respect the Constitution of Uganda. When I was in the Appointments Committee, the Speaker requested me to speak to His Excellency to ensure that no supporters are released. The President, in his own voice and video, he said, give me the list. I requested the National Unity Platform to avail the list. Hope the leader of opposition is here. I'm yet to get it. Right honorable Speaker. Right honorable Speaker.
Point of order. Point of order.
Right honorable Speaker.
Honorable Minister. No. Honorable colleagues, please. Order. Honorable colleagues, the Honorable Barugahara Balamu I studied with, whom I know, cannot fail to respond to anything. So let us feel as if we are protecting him. Yeah, so let the leader of opposition bring his point of order, and we see.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I request that you protect me from excited colleagues. Right Honorable Speaker.
Please, honorable colleagues. Please, Lop.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Firstly, I think it's important that as Parliament, we orient our new colleagues on our modus operandi as Parliament. How we operate, point of order, and the like. But more importantly, Right Honorable Speaker, the point of order that I'm standing up on, we discussed in this very Parliament issues of missing persons, some who were disappeared, people who are in jail irregularly, some missing persons for whom the Prime Minister of Uganda acknowledged are in the hands of the state, like John Bosco Chibalama. And we tabled that list here in Parliament. We gave it to the Attorney General. Court is processing many of these matters, and we have asked that they be released on bail, because this is not prosecution, but persecution. Right Honorable Speaker, is it in order for a new minister who seems to be a novice to come with excitement and claim that he has mandate
Honorable Ssenyonyi.
to pursue a matter of people who are simply being persecuted as opposed to being.
Honorable Ssenyonyi. Honorable Ssenyonyi.
Is the honorable new minister.
Honorable Ssenyonyi, you know the language we use in parliament. Okay? Honorable Ssenyonyi, you know the language we use in this parliament. Even when you disagree with a person, language is like a novice. A member of parliament is a member of parliament is a member of parliament. Okay? So Honorable Ssenyonyi, do the needful. You're a gentleman. There is a language we don't use here. This is a language we don't use.
Right, Honorable Speaker, as a lawyer and as somebody who knows English, the word novice means somebody who is new to a profession. The Honorable Balamu Bwasabye is a new minister. So the word novice is not derogatory in any way, except for people who we need to teach some English.
You see, honorable colleagues, how we start with problems is how we behave. Okay? Look, you know, I know you would be insulted if I called you a novice. The Honorable Balamu Bwasabye is a minister and a full-fledged now ex-official of this house who has been sworn in. Okay? So, Honorable, I'm a very patient man, and I know you're a gentleman. Okay? Please, let's use.
Right, Honorable Speaker. Right, Honorable Speaker. Right, Honorable Speaker, you asked me to speak. Please protect me from these exciting.
You're protected, Honorable.
I hope I am. You see, in this parliament, we keep learning, and I am glad to even teach colleagues some English. When you Google the meaning of the word novice, for those that have smartphones and some data, definition number 1, a person new in a job or situation. Balamu Bwasabye is new, the Honorable is new as a minister. So there's nothing wrong with calling him a novice as a minister. I thank you.
Thank you.
Procedure.
Thank you, Honorable Clerk. I hereby direct you, sir, you expunge the submission of the Honorable Ssenyonyi. Honorable Balamu, continue, please. Continue. Thank you.
Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker. So during the appointments committee, I was given a task as a fair person who believes in fairness, with knowledge of my background as a patriot, to speak to the president, who is the appointing authority, to stand surety for the young men who are detained and they have not yet gone on trial. So the president accepted to pardon most of them who don't have cases of murder. And he said security forces should and the intelligence should expedite the investigation going on. So I will request my brother, Honorable Ssenyonyi, to give Right Honorable Ssenyonyi to give me the list. I will do that for you, Joel, and I will make sure the president acts on that.
Thank you.
Then, okay. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you. The Honorable Dr. Kenneth Omona, do you have anything you want?
The Right Honorable Speaker and the honorable colleagues in the House, I'm glad once again to join you, Right Honorable Speaker, on both sides of the house in the service of our country. It's been a long time since I was in this house. When I left after the 9th Parliament, went and had some other tours of duty, and then finally back here in the house again today. I'm very happy to join you again once more, Right Honorable Speaker. And I pray that all of us in this house, God will support and help us to remind us of our duties on both sides of the house to continue to serve and serve together for the good of our country. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you, Doctor, and welcome back. Honorable Sala Aguti.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. My name is Sarah Gruti, representing Dokolo District. I want to thank you for welcoming me in this house. The people of Dokolo have sent greetings to this house. I want to thank our party, UPC, for standing with me. I want to thank our party president and other MPs that stood with me. And also, I want to thank my voters of Dokolo that they have put their trust in me. I'm going to represent them. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, the people of Dokolo, they are okay, but only that they have one problem. My people are dying in the lake. I want this house to help me. Yeah. The fishermen of Dokolo, they are dying in the lake. If this house can help me, and we talk about it more. I thank you.